up, what up, what up? It's Richie D420. We are on the road, heading out to Starvedrock, Illinois, heading out to pick up Chico and laminated salmon. So we're on the road. It's still in Illinois, Starvedrock. It's a state park, free entry, and there's a bunch of waterfalls, about 13 miles of hiking trails and stuff. So we'll see what we see. Hopefully we'll see some bald eagles. The weather's kind of warm, but yeah, we'll see what it does. Here's the view right now.
exciting.
It was cool.
Was that the time we almost hit that guy, or was that the other time?
The other time was in your car.
In my car. We almost hit a guy on the road like this, like at night. He's out there with a lighter.
What the fuck?
Yeah, dude, tell him, bro.
Yeah, just tell him.
Tell him better. You thought it was like the food or something.
Well, so yeah. So we were going down, and we were, Southern Illinois?
Yeah.
On the highway.
Yeah.
And it was like, kind of like, it was a double lane, and then there was like a median in the middle. And like a grass median.
There was no lights though.
But it was pitch black. And so we were going, and I'm like cruising in Al's car. He's like, were you awake or were you sleeping?
I was like stoned, half awake, sleeping.
So you were like dozing.
Yeah,
like
okay.
you were in the portal.
Because I had worked, we had worked.
Yeah,
So, okay.
yeah. I was like, yeah, you get some sleep, I'm good, let's go. And then like we'll flip it or whatever. And so we were cruising. He's like half asleep, fucking portaled out. I'm like stoned. And
we
I'm
were
like
six joints in already.
and I was like, is that a bug? Or is that the moon? And I was like, how is that light like? What is that? And then like as we're getting closer to it, like I noticed dude's caught like van on the side of the road. I'm like, that's a dude. I like swerved. Like if we were in my truck,
You would have hit him?
the tire or my mirror would have clipped him.
Damn.
Dude, he was like this.
And I was like, motherfucker.
And I was like, what? That's a dude?
And I was like, what?
I was like,
dude,
I woke up, I was like,
Because I went,
was like,
whoop,
is that a bug?
Because I went whoop whoop like that, and his ass shook. He was like, what? Was that a bug? And I was like, no, that was a dude.
That was a
That's
dude.
That's scary.
I was like, holy fuck, dude, I almost fucking, I was like, if we were in my truck, I wouldn't have seen it. I would have crushed that motherfucker, dude.
That's insane.
I was like, I would have
There
too.
was like nobody else.
I would have been like, sorry.
Get to the nearest one.
That's why you don't do that. You sit on top of your car.
Yeah.
You put the hazards on. Like I think his car, his battery was dead or something. Cause like,
Oh, okay.
no hazards.
But even I have those things that you like the deflectors. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you just put the little triangle.
But it was like an old van. It was like an Astro, like square body van.
Oh.
It was sketchy. He was probably trying to like take some.
That motherfucker shit himself.
Oh, absolutely.
He was probably doing.
I'm just trying to give you something smoking out to for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something smoking out to for you. I'm just trying to give you something.
Sorry for all the wind, and I don't have a mic yet. But Starved Rock in Illinois, Utica, right? We got Chico, Blackthorn, and laminated salmon up here. We're walking around checking out the little cabin things real quick, and then we gotta backtrack over that way to the trails. So here we go.
Here we go, y'all. Hey, here we go.
Wait, I think this is the trail of the cat.
Yeah, it is. But like on that over to that side to the left, there's like a lookout spot. Actually, I think that's the one that we stayed at, the Kickapoo one.
That one?
Yeah. Sunrise Shelter. Oh, they got the fireplace all blocked off.
That's just deep.
Oh shit, which way you guys want to go? French Canyon or Wildcat Canyon? Yes, there's going to be a lot of heavy breathing on this. We are three chubby guys, out of shape chefs.
Oh.
So here's the legend, here's the map. Starved Rock State Park Trail. We are here. So, which way should we go? I don't know. Let's see. There's laminated salmon going, looking at the little creek. Which way, which way? I think we should go.
Oh, he fell, dude.
What? Oh, he's still there. Let's go to the Wildcat Canyon to the right. Let's check out these this little cool area that Salty's looking at. It's all frozen.
Waterfall right there.
Heck yeah, look at that.
So I think it's deep in the summer.
Yeah, it does. I waded through it with the boys.
You
like,
went down in there?
Yeah. It's like slick as hell. It's all like that
Yeah, it's all
moss.
like mossy and shit.
So, but yeah, let's go this way to the right. Wildcat Canyon.
Cougar Canyon, sign me up.
Ooh, let's go.
Drop your panties.
Look at this. Fucking slipped on that shit. Ski! That suck.
Yeah, you're breaking yourself.
Oh, you're breaking a lot. Yeah, look how peaceful it is. What? Oh, it's probably because it's too icy. Oh, well, it looks like we're going Cougar Palace. Birds chirping. Press the top button on the top. Laminated salmon, how is it so far? Frozen? Noise. He says it's frozen. Heck yeah. We got Chico Blackthorn over there. can't really see him. Well, you can see his orange hat. And you got Richie Divix. What up? Nomad Divix here. Checking in for the usual suspect sesh. Getting some live footage. Come check us out. We go live on Mondays and Thursdays on Ghost Boogie 66's channel on twitch.tv/GhostBoogie66 and on the usual suspects sesh on the YouTubes. Go hit us a follow, subscribe, and thumbs up. And we got a lot of backlog, so come check us out. Also, Nomad Divix here. I will be uploading a lot of these videos and stuff like that. I'm gonna cut them all and make a clip and do all that stuff and start getting my channel going. So welcome in, and if you're new to this channel, we're all new to this channel, welcome in. What up? Look at this. This is awesome. Standing on a frozen little creek. Got the logs going through. We got laminated. We got Chico Black over here. Look at all this ice. In the summertime and the springtime, this is all thawed out. But yeah, we got a slick there. Look at this. That's dope. Coming down this way. Look at all this waterfall. Go sliding. Go boo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Look, we got wood paths to go through. We got that. We got all this. And there's more. Let's keep going. It's gonna be a heavy breathing episode, y'all. Get ready. Hey you guys. Second one. It's frozen. This one. Yeah. You got people down there climbing the ice waterfall. You're watching. It's the Illinois River. So yeah, we could take a trail all the way that leads around and then down. Path right there, the stairs go down. We can come out and come over there and see the ice waterfall. There's Chico taking in the sights.
Restricted area. No trails beyond this point. Return the way you came, or you die. Look at the sandstone. A little bit. Salty's the bravest one. Ugh. Pine trees and everything. Yeah. It's peaceful out here too. That's the thing that's like, it's nice to come out here and clear your head and clear your thoughts. A new year, new us, you know, new challenges, new opportunities, new things to figure out. And look at this fucking like awesome rock formation with my two homies and IRL, not just all the Twitch homies and the YouTube homies. But yeah, this is like, this is what I want to do. Start my trip, come out to places like this, and yeah. Look at that. That's crazy. You could probably walk out onto the river. The river's frozen. Look at that rock formation. Try not to hurt myself.
Yeah, that's the last time we saw it.
Chico Black in the fucking wilderness.
Let's do it.
What up, pimps and players, shakers and movers? We see you.
Hell yeah.
What?
Keep on coming. You can
It's a
walk, you're
homeless
good.
man, bruh.
I know, right?
Hi.
Look at
Oh,
the,
wow.
yeah, that's cool, huh?
Oh wow.
It's crazy. Made it down into the valley. We were up there, around the top. Walked around, came down. And now we're down here. We got little baby ice waterfall right here. We got Chico, we got laminated salmon, we got Richie D420. Come, let's keep going into the further in. Let's check out the wilderness. Here's a cool little like cave area. And it's all like sand. It's not dirt. Freaking cool. So quiet, so peaceful. It's freaking awesome. Look, you keep going this way too, and around. Just be careful with a little bit of snow, a little bit of ice, a little bit of sand, dead leaves all mixed together. Does not end well. Come over here. Hopefully this is in.
Hello. That sand too, though.
Ooh, that's a nice decent echo.
Hello! Make it look graceful, baby. Laminated salmon figure out how to get down. Did you feel how slick that ice is?
Yeah.
It's just crazy, right?
Yeah. Stupid slick.
Standing on ice.
Look at this chap go up the ice.
We got people trying to ice waterfall climb, which is pretty cool. Look at it. There's that lookout that we were up at before. And we walked around it. Thank y'all for tuning in and watching this first episode of Nomad Divix, my journey on traveling around the states, going to different state parks and forest preserves and stuff like that, and then just also other places. So thank you for stopping by. If you like this, please hit that notification bell and like and subscribe and all that fun stuff, and share us out.